Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a quick update with everything that's happening with my Tiblio trade. If you didn't see last week's video, be sure to check that one out before you check this one out, because that is where I picked up the trades that we're going to be monitoring today. But before we get into the video, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel. And also, if you're interested in signing up for Tiblio, there is a referral link down below in the description. Tiblio comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you try it out for a month and you don't like it, it's risk-free, you get your money back, so there's really nothing you can lose. And if you sign up for Tiblio using the referral link down below in the description, it really helps to support the channel at no extra cost to you. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so in last week's video, we used the Tiblio app to find credit spreads to trade on Robinhood. So in this week's video, we're going to go over just how those positions did. Last week, we picked up 2 bullish positions, one on QQQ and another one on PM. Needless to say, the bears have absolutely destroyed the market this week. There was so much red in the market, I couldn't see anything else anywhere. But now that we're all caught up, I want to start out by showing you this email. On Thursday, I actually received an email that one of my trades was triggered to close. Newsflash, I had the date wrong on this, so I didn't close the position. But just wanted to share this with y'all, that the notification system on Tiblio actually works. And here's the email. Congratulations, now would be a good time to capture estimated profit by closing the QQQ for October 10th. I think mine either expires on the 2nd or the 10th. I just know I went and checked the position. I was profitable on it, but I was only profitable about $2, so I decided to stay in it. Kind of wish I would have exited the position anyway, but we'll get more into that when we hop in Robinhood. So yeah, I showed you the email. So now let's hop in Tiblio and let's hop in Robinhood and see how the positions did. All right, so here we are on the Tiblio platform. Nothing new from last week. Here are the positions that we made. We have a credit spread on the QQQ and a credit spread on PM. We were credited $23 on this one and $65 on this one. This one has a max loss of $77, and this one has a max loss of, I want to say like $185. Okay, and yeah, that's kind of where we stand. That's where we're at on Tiblio. I also showed you that for this QQQ trade, I had the date wrong, so I actually went in and changed it. Let's see the date that it actually is. So it actually expires October 2nd instead of the 10th. But yeah, that email was for a credit spread that would have been on the 10th. So yeah, that's how we're doing on Tiblio. Now let's hop over to Robinhood, look at my portfolio. I have 2 other positions, so I'll kind of update you on that just for the fun of it. And then, you know, yeah. So here we are in Robinhood, and I have 2 what seem like crazy Apple calls that expire September 25th. So here's kind of what I'm playing with that. So with these Apple calls I have, I think I got them for like $30 each. Let me see. Okay, so I spent a total of $57 on them, and that's because I think Apple's going to run up, because Apple has an event on the 15th. So my thing was really just to get time on that option and kind of see what happens. If anything good happens, that's cool. You know, we'll probably end up making a profit or breaking even. If not, I didn't risk any money that I wasn't willing to lose, so that's cool too. But what I have going with that is Apple has an event on the 15th. I think they'll announce a bunch of new products and maybe even wow us like they normally do, and then Apple moves up. So that's kind of what's going on with there. And then right here with Tesla, I have a put credit spread. I'm not necessarily counting on it getting in the money, but I was really just hoping to collect premium. The most that I can lose on this put credit spread is, $110. I received a credit of $390 for opening this spread. So my thing is, as long as Tesla goes up higher than where it was, or as long as Tesla goes up higher than where it was when I bought it, and I get out before it expires, I will come out of this trade winning. So really, I've been letting time do its thing, and as more time continues to pass, I expect to see more profits. I know Tesla's kind of dipped right now, but I expect to be profitable on this, and this is kind of where most of my losses for the week come from. But now moving to my Tiblio trades, let's take a look. Okay, so this one right here, QQQ, this is the NASDAQ, and Tiblio actually sent me a notification to exit this position, but it was for the wrong date, so I didn't exit it. But when they sent the notification, I was up on this position and it would have been beneficial. So let's take a look and see how we're doing on it. Okay, so as you can see, overall, I am down $34 on this. So not doing too hot on this right now. Right now I'm down 147%, but the good thing is we still have time on it, and this right here is completely dependent on tech. Honestly, getting in this trade was really bad timing, because as soon as I got in the trade, the next day or even the same day, I don't remember, you know, tech just started tanking. So yeah, that's kind of what's up with that. I'm down $34 on it. That's all we can see on that, but good thing is we have time. We'll let some of that premium wear off, and yeah, hopefully the NASDAQ will move back up a little bit. Okay, so going on, we have one more trade that we picked up from Tiblio, and this is one that we actually picked up during last week's video, so let's check it out. Okay, so ticker symbol PM. We received $65 for opening this trade, and right now we're at a 41% profit. That is a $27 return, and that right there is more than enough to pay for a month of this subscription. But I'm kind of waiting and seeing when I get the notification to exit this, because I'm not really in a rush to get out of these positions because I have time on them. And when you're selling options, you profit as, you know, the time decreases. So, you know, the longer I stay in it, it's almost like there's more benefit as long as the stock isn't moving against me, kind of like the QQQ is. So yeah, that's kind of where we're standing right here. This is how these positions are doing for me. And hopefully next week I can hit you with an update of when we exit these positions, hopefully profitably. Also hoping to get out of Tesla with profits too. But anyways, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I will do my best to get back to each and every one of them. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, please be sure to smash the like button. Really helps to support the channel. And if for some reason you made it this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.